Today I share with you how to make coconut rice in professional way from scratch. If you have made coconut rice before and it wasn't this process, sweetie, you have to try something new. This recipe will blow your mind. To begin, I add in some coconut oil, then add in already marinated chicken and get that to fry for just 5 minutes. 5 minutes of frying, I will get that turn so that the other side will still get fried for another 5 minutes. Begin use this process now. They share this video, guys, because this recipe e no dey internet. This one na the only best way wey you go take cook your coconut rice after today. Now the chicken is ready, I will keep it aside. On this pot, I will be adding coconut oil, then adding the remaining oil I used to get the chicken done, then adding chopped onions, then get that fried for just 2 minutes. 2 minutes of frying, it has fried so nice. So guys, over here I have hot pepper, onions and red bell pepper. I will just process that until I have something like this. So just process, just small biteable process like this. You gotta go, so not overground them. So after doing that, I'll just add that inside the oil, then get that fried with the onions for 2 minutes. So before that, I will be adding this thyme and curry. It comes from Odogo Food. It's a platform where you can get everything you need to get your food done. She delivers worldwide. Add this Maggi seasoning and stir together. After stirring, I get to cover that for 5 minutes to get final cook. 5 minutes of frying the pepper, it fries so nice. I give that stir together. What I need next is this carrot, green beans and corn. I will just add that inside the pepper pot and get stirred together. My people, follow this process. You have to try this for your family and they're going to appreciate you for this recipe. I covered that to simmer for 2 minutes, and 2 minutes later, look at that, it has done and nice. So what I do now is to add then washed rice. Over here I have already washed rice, then I turn that over and stir together. I will stir until the veggies and the rice get combined, adding salt to taste. So after doing that, I'm going to cover this for 5 minutes. Don't add water, don't add anything, just cover. 5 minutes later, you got to open and still stir. After stirring again, I'm still going to cover the rice again for another 5 minutes. 5 minutes later, look at that. Oh my god, this is giving. So over here we have coconut, guys. So this is the coconut I'm going to use to get my coconut milk. Over here I have the milk. I have 1 jug of milk. So I'm going to turn in the milk inside the pot of rice. My people, you don't need water. Tell water this time go far because I'm cooking coconut rice. So all you need is coconut. So all I do now is to add in the chicken on top of the rice, cover that and get this cooked final. I use nylon to get my own cook. You can as well use foil paper because I like the heat of nylon. That's why I make use of it. So now my rice done. Everywhere they send water. My people, this one shocked me. All I do is to add this some green bell pepper on top of the rice and it's ready to enjoy. My people, this process shocked me, my people. This is just the best way to make your coconut rice. If you haven't tried this process before now, go and give this a try. Your family is going to appreciate you. This is so mouth watering. It tastes and scents so amazing. And all you have to do is to share this video and follow this process to get your professional coconut rice done. You are going to love it. In my next one, oh yeah, bye.